Hey car enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something every driver should know: spark plugs. If your car's engine is misfiring or struggling to start, it could be a sign of bad spark plugs. But how do you know for sure? In today's video, we're breaking down the 10 most common symptoms of bad spark plugs that you don't want to ignore. From rough idling to poor fuel efficiency, we've got it all covered. So, let's get into it and help you keep your ride running smoothly. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car care tips. 1. Engine misfire. If the spark plugs are worn or dirty, they may not ignite the fuel properly, causing the engine to misfire or run unevenly. 2. Rough idle. If your engine shakes or idles roughly when it's at a stop, it might be a sign that the spark plugs are failing to spark correctly. 3. Poor acceleration. If your vehicle is slow to accelerate or feels sluggish when you press the gas pedal, bad spark plugs could be causing the engine to struggle with power. 4. Decreased fuel efficiency. Faulty spark plugs can lead to incomplete combustion, which can cause the engine to burn more fuel than usual. 5. Engine check light. A misfire or malfunctioning spark plug can trigger the check engine light on your dashboard. 6. Hard starting. If your engine has difficulty starting, it could be due to worn spark plugs not providing enough spark to ignite the fuel-air mixture. 7. Excessive exhaust emissions. Bad spark plugs can cause incomplete combustion, leading to an increase in carbon emissions and the smell of unburned fuel in the exhaust. Loss of power. In some cases, the vehicle may feel like it's not running as smoothly as usual, with a noticeable loss of power during driving. 9. Unusual noises. A failing spark plug can cause knocking or pinging noises, which occur when the fuel mixture detonates prematurely. 10. Engine stalling. If the spark plugs are too worn or damaged, they may fail to keep the engine running, causing it to stall, especially when idling or at low speeds. If this video helped you diagnose your car problems, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.